Australian Accounting for Taxation Series, Individual Tax Return. Video 1. How to go about it. If you're an individual taxpayer, EasyTax can assist you to lodge your personal tax return through 3 easy steps. Number 1. You authorize us to access your record at the Australian Taxation Office. Number 2. You advise us details of incomes you received and deductions you want to claim. And number 3, you sign a declaration confirming that details given in your tax return prepared by us are correct. Regarding item 1 above, the Australian Taxation Office, or the ATO, collects taxation data in respect of taxpayers from banks, employers, and health insurance companies, etc. These data are available to authorized tax agents, who will be given access to view the relevant information in respect of their clients. Such details include the amount of interests received from banks, the amounts of incomes received from employers, and details of private health insurance cover, etc. It is not uncommon for the individual taxpayer to have lost supporting documents regarding interests and wages received, or private health premium paid, etc. It is therefore a good starting point for the tax agent to have access to these details kept by ATO, to use them to check against information provided by the taxpayer to ensure that the tax return includes all relevant and accurate figures. To enable EasyTax to have the details contained in your record kept by ATO, we need a simple authorization from you for us to access them online. Regarding item 2 above, being the taxpayer, you are responsible to advise EasyTax as your tax agent the incomes you received during the financial year and details of the deductions you want to claim, so that we will include them in your tax return. Regarding item 3 above, for the purpose of complying with the taxation regulations, you need to provide us with a confirmation that the details given in your tax return prepared by us are correct. To start the ball rolling, you need to visit the link shown at the end of this video when you're ready. All you need to do is to fill in your name, your email address, and your mobile number and press the send button. Arrangement will be made for an authorization to be organized, and we will then immediately commence action to access your record kept by ATO, which will be used to check against the details you are going to provide us in the second step. After receipt of your authorization, apart from accessing your record kept by ATO, we shall also be writing to you, enclosing a simple form for you to fill in details of your income received during the financial year and the amount of deduction you are planning to claim. Based on details given in the form, we shall prepare a draft individual tax return for your consideration. Included there will be the amount of tax refund you are likely to receive. If you are happy with the figures calculated on your draft tax return, you will be asked to sign a confirmation based on which we shall lodge your return to ATO on your behalf. ATO will transfer your tax refund into our trust account within 14 days. On receipt of the tax refund from ATO, we shall organize an internet transfer from our trust account into your personal bank account after deducting our fees, if applicable. The above descriptions represent the normal scenario, and as can be seen, the steps involved are quite simple and straightforward. But the beauty of it all is that everything can be done in the comfort of your home, where you have access to all your paperwork 24/7 basis. There is no need for you to attend meetings with us. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to ring us or email us. We undertake to respond to your queries ASAP and in any case within 24 hours. Finally, maybe we should spend a minute to talk about our fees. As indicated in our website, we normally charge $70 for a simple individual tax return and around $100 to $150 for a more complicated one. Clients coming to us with a promotion code will enjoy discount concession up to 30%. In addition, clients have the option to pay us after receipt of their tax refund from ATO. For those who choose this option, an additional fee of $20 will be charged. GST will apply to all the figures quoted above. If you want to proceed further, you have the following options. Number 1. If you are watching this video after receipt of an email from us, please fill in the simple form on the bottom of the email and press the Submit button. Number 2. If you're watching this video through YouTube, please fill in the Contact Us section of our website at www.eeasytax.com.